Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We've got an oldie but a goldie, the outgoing BT50 in today. We're gonna get rid of this Bosco roller shutter, throw that in the rubbish because it's poo, number one. And number two, we're gonna get a steel canopy fitted, assembled, fitted, and then we'll go ahead and get a storage unit added to this box, to this canopy as well. Other than that, let's get right into it. ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this steel canopy passenger side storage unit. And then we did also end up putting a tailgate assist on as well. We've got a couple of these tailgate assists still remaining. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one. Boom. Look at that, nice slow down. And then also one finger lift up. If any of you guys own any of these older BT50s or the older PX1, PX2 ranges, you know just how heavy the tailgates are. So that's a very, very welcome addition. Canopy itself on sale at the moment, 1,900 bucks. You can grab it online. Also on top of that, look at this. Customer had one of our tub liners, which I've just realized fitted a long, long while ago. And you can see how well it's held up. I believe this one has been in here for a handful of years by the look of it. The tub line is available for basically all the dual cab utes driving around today. So very, very straightforward. We'll go over to this passenger side as well and show the storage unit, which is very helpful. Of course, these shelves here are removable and adjustable to your needs. So you can get them on either side, both sides if need be, to get all your little fittings on there. Understandably, you've got the rail on top as well that allows you to fit crossbars and platforms and other bits and pieces as well. Once again, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go to have a look at that. Now, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.